So in this video, I'll be talking about the functions of a radiator fan. 1. It cools the engine. The fan pulls air through the radiator to cool hot coolants and prevent engine from overheating. 2. It supports the radiator. When a car is moving slowly, or when your car is moving slowly, naturally airflow is low. So the fan helps to what? Force airflow to keep coolant effective. 3. It protects engine components. It prevents them from damaging. Components like head gasket, piston, and the rest. 4. It improves engine efficiency. We all know that energy works best at an optimal temperature. So the fan helps to what? Maintain that balance for smooth performance. 5. It helps to what? Keep the air condition system in the car. It helps it to what? Work effectively well. The fan helps to what? Cool the AC condenser, thereby improving the AC performance. So these are the functions of a fan radiator.